paper and do it. But when I got there, they're like, all right, can you act like you were stocking the shelf and doing this, that, and the third? And while you're talking, and just that little me not moving around in space, it just threw my mind off, and I couldn't grab the words as quickly. So, you know, if there's actions that go with it, try to mimic those actions while you're reciting the lines, you know. But it doesn't hurt if they give it to you 2 days before, a week before. Take advantage of that time.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Any other questions for our celebrity guest, Shawn Dunbar?
When you're reading lines and you're doing an audition, is there such a thing as overdoing it, like getting too much into character? Like, what do you? I mean, 'cause you can't just read through it. I mean, you have to kind of.
Yeah. And I think the important thing is prepare something that you feel good about, but be open to direction.
There you go.
Because a lot of times they want to just see that you're able to take direction. You know, so you may come in there and do something really big and could be really over the top, and they may have liked that, but they may just be like, all right, now can you bring it down a little bit and kind of go with this emotion?
It's
And they
It's
just wanna
easier
see
to bring you down than to bring you up. So
Absolutely.
it's almost better to be a little bit
bigger.
Yeah, a
So
little bit
it is
bigger than
okay
you
to
think.
think big.
They
It's okay.
can take you down. Yeah.
Yeah.
The biggest problem with most Minnesotans is we're not
Big enough.
big
I
enough.
know.
They used to tell me to supersize it. When I got, I'm serious. When I got booked for Target, they would say supersize it. That was the word that they used to get me to do big things. So supersizing it meant go big or go home.
I think Denise can handle that.
Oh yeah. Can I handle that, Janice? Yes.
You can.
Yes. Okay, you guys, any more questions for Shawn? Because I don't think he's going to be available after this. I mean, he's super busy, and I was even thinking about scheduling a separate meeting, another meeting for those who couldn't make it, but I will not be asking Shawn or John Wagner to show back up. Maybe Janice, because she's going to be one of our agents, but other than that, I'm so glad you guys came. You got a lot of great information, I hope. Okay, and thank you again for being here. I got my turkey homemade soup, so we can eat. Anybody else has a question for him?
Here my _SD. That's like my Instagram. That's what I use.
Say it again.
Here am I all together _SD.
Oh,
That's like my main thing that I kind of work with. Facebook too. But if you have any questions, or as your career is moving along, you're just like, oh, that one guy, that black guy in the subway commercial.
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask him. I got you.
Yeah. And I mean, you know, he is a part of the team. Otherwise, he wouldn't be here. So, all right.
Mine's
All right.
easiest Minneapolis photographer. So that's
Oh man, you broke down the whole Minneapolis.
He did.